Hello and welcome to the Audi Etron. My first time driving in here was a bit of a hassle to get everything attached. The camera doesn't hold. Hope it does now. I'm on the highway. I want to drive a bit, see if the 200 kilometers per hour are working. Like I said, I'm in here for 5 minutes. I went through the settings and everything and drove what 8 kilometers. Let's see, and I'm in sport, dynamic. Put the car in low. I think it goes up a bit when you go into dynamic, so you cannot put it amazingly low. I haven't figured that out yet. Display, everything looks good. I like it. Let's drive. Full. It's a bit uphill here though, so it's an amazingly big car. It's a massive car. I always thought in other videos when I saw it that it would be just a normal A6 just with a battery, but no, it's really SUV type. It's taller, wheels at 20-inch wheels. It's very big car, so it's not slick of any kind. It comes, when you look at it, it's amazingly massive. Oh my god. So let's drive full power. Doesn't go into boost. Okay. Am I in the wrong drive mode? Dynamic. Let's try now. No? Doesn't go into boost. Maybe boost is only under 100 kilometers or something. It has enough power. It's a 300 kilowatt motor. It has power. It's really good. But it's not punchy at all. It's not Tesla. It's not I-Pace. It's enough power, and I don't. It doesn't have to be. It's okay. Comfortable. Road noise is oh my god quiet. I can say that. Oh my god quiet. It's so amazingly quiet. Everything's recording. Always check. I know. That's what I do. Wind noise. Cannot say the same. Wind noise above 140. It's present as in other cars. Comfortable wise, it's I think the most comfortable car I've ever been in. It's really comfy, and bumps and unevenness on the road. That's very nice. The displays look good. I like the instrument cluster. You can do a lot of things. Why every time when I drive? See this? I like the instrument cluster. You can do a lot of things and can display different things. Head-up display looks very good. The screens in the middle, they like fingerprints. So you see smearing and everything on them. Touching it, doing settings and things is okay. It's not amazing, but it's fine. No need to complain at all. Let's pass a different Audi. It's a bit wobbly above 180 when you go in the corners. Same with the I-Pace. It was the same thing, because they're heavy cars. In heavy cars at high speeds, I don't trust those. Let's drive slow. 150 is slow, eh? Yeah. I wanna drive this car down. fully charged when I got it, and I want see how the regen is. And a lot of cars regen is low when the battery is full or not even present. Nissan Leaf or Model S, Tesla Model S, there's no regen when the battery is completely full. Gonna change regen even more? No. 2 settings for regen with the pedal shifters. Screen in the infotainment system where I can see the exact percentage of the battery charge. Otherwise it's just kilometers, and because of my amazingly high average consumption, I have 250 with a 95 kilowatt hour battery. I think it's so crazy. 120 is here, blinks, warns me. The only thing I don't love about the instrument cluster, that it's amazingly busy. There's so much stuff. You mean that the USB is not connected, phone is not connected, all of this. I don't need this. I want, you know, there's I think that the infotainment system is there for this. But the ride quality is awesome. Regen is now a bit better since the battery is a bit low. I prefer that. I like regen, you know that all. I love regen. Vehicle information. How do you see the charging? Something beeps? No. Charging. There it is. 87% in charging screen, you can see it. So I used 13% in 25 kilometers, but I was driving fast. Why is it 120 here? So let's do a bit of acceleration. No, but do the acceleration tests on the way back. Now I will do the highway consumption test at 130, and then acceleration tests at home, and then we'll see what else we do. Got the head-up display looks really good, and you can select a lot of things that you want to see. Nice, nice, nice. You can change the view, of course, but you cannot turn off the stupid self-driving feature. I tried it. It still steers. So when you're on a highway, when I change lanes, it's turning the wheel and moving it. Why? Why is nobody driving? It's 120. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, I prefer this. 100. Regen could be better. Especially since they made a lot of advertising that the regen is so great. I mean, the way of going down the hill and charge the car basically. I feel like that the sound dampening from underneath is very good, and it's better than any other car I ever had. The sound dampening up here, so through the windows, was better in the I-Pace. So in the I-Pace I felt very isolated from other cars from outside. Here it's more normal. So the I-Pace was quieter inside, I think. It's just that what comes from the road, unevenness, how the asphalt is being made, is the surface is, it's better in this car. Amazingly comfy and so quiet from the road. Wind noise and again noise from other cars outside is louder than in the I-Pace. the whole adaptive cruise control or other cruise control is done with an extra stock down underneath left the steering wheel. Already can say another fan of this. Could be done way easier. Where are we? Why is there? Since when is your construction site? It's all-wheel drive. It's nice. Motor is nice and quiet. Has a bit of a whiny noise, but okay. Oh, but bumps are amazing. It feels so smooth. Oh. Where could that driver assist? Basic. I turned everything off. Still does it. Yeah. I wouldn't like that. I don't want driver assist. The screen for the climate is okay, nothing special, not needed. But it explains itself. That's nice. So if you spend a few minutes on it, and if you try to figure out something, it tells you, oh, do this. If you want to sync the temperature between left and right, do this. And because there's no button, yeah, ventilated seat, heated seats, of course, air conditioning, ionizing the air in here. I don't know what this does. Whatever. You can do what they want. What else can we do with fuel? Long-term distance indicator. So prefer this one. I want to see the range. See the consumption. Oh, consumption is here in a short time. What do you want to see then? Long term. Look at that. Only 45 minutes.